company, family and friends, and this week we are learning all about occupations. So today we are going to make a craft. We're going to make a fireman truck. Okay, so before we do anything, let's take off my mask first. And remember, we need to spritz and sanitize our hands. So let's go. Spritz, spritz, spritz. Rub. There we go. All done. Okay, so what we will need for this activity is a scissor, glue stick, and a few shapes. But if you don't have any shapes at home, you can ask Mommy and Daddy to help you. Then you can cut out shapes out of cardboard and then you can trace it from there. Okay, what else are we going to need is a piece of blue paper, yellow paper, some red paper, black paper for the wheels, and the white paper to paste it on. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to trace our rectangle. So let's go. Remember, how does a rectangle look? Two long sides. So let's trace our long sides first, and then two short sides. There we go. Okay, so next we're going to trace our square. Okay, so I'm going to put it right there. And how does a square look? Okay, the square has 4 even sides. Hey, there we go. All done. Okay, so next we're going to trace our circle for the wheels. And a circle is round. Hey, so how many wheels does a truck have? 4. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and for the last one, we are going to take a small square. So look, the square is a bit smaller than the red one, okay? And we're going to trace these. And just like last time, a square has 4 even sides. So there we go. Now everything is traced. Okay, so now we're going to start cutting. So first we're going to cut out the rectangle. So let's go. Remember to cut on the lines. Okay, I'm turning my paper and cut on the line. So now I'm going to do the short side. And the other long side. See, I'm trying to stay on my line there. Okay, so there I have my rectangle. Next, it's going to be the square. So let's go. Let's count how many squares we're cutting. Sides we're cutting, sorry. So let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. Okay, so next on we're going to cut our wheels. So let's go. And how is a wheel? It's a circle, eh? So it goes round. Try to stay on the line. I know this is a bit tricky, hey? Round, round, and round. And there we go. There we have our first circle. So let's cut out our second one. So we're going to go all around again. Round, and round, and round. And there we go. Here we have our second one. And for our third one, go. Remember to stay on the line. Okay, so there we have our third one. And for our last circle, so let's go. Okay, so there we have our fourth circle cut out. And for our last shape, we're going to cut out our blue little square for the window. So let's go. Remember to stay on the lines, boys and girls. Okay. Cut slowly, we're concentrating. Remember, your fingers must always be away from the scissor. Okay. There we go. Okay, so what I did is I just cut off a piece of yellow paper for the ladder. Okay, so now we're going to build our fire truck. So we're going to start by taking our big rectangle. Okay, then we're going to put glue on. Okay, lines by the sides. Okay, then we're going to place it in the middle of my white paper. Okay, then next I'm going to take my red square. So I'm going to put on some glue. So we're going to paste the red square slightly a bit upper from the rectangle. Okay, so there we go. Can you stop? Okay, so now we're going to put on our wheels. So I'm going to take a black circle, just put a little bit of glue in the middle, and put it on. Second wheel. There we go. And the last wheel. There we go. So there we have all our wheels pasted. So next on we're going to put on our blue little square for the window. Okay, so then I'm going to put some glue on here as well. And then I'm going to paste it right in the middle of the red square. There we go. Does it look like a fire truck? I think so. Lastly, then we're going to add our yellow paper. So let's go. And our yellow paper is for the ladder. Okay, so we're going to put it slightly up like that. And then for the finishing touch, we're going to take our black pencil and we're just going to draw some black lines on it. Does it look like a ladder to you now? I think it does. So there we have our fire truck. Thank you for joining me and learning how to make a fire truck out of shapes. I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye.